हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइज। सो एज यू गाइज कैन सी बाय टुडेज टाइटल, हम लोग आज नेल आर्ट करने वाले हैं गाइज। एंड इन दिस नेल आर्ट, एज यू गाइज कैन सी, दिस इज BTS वीक। सो दिस वीक इज काइंड ऑफ BTS वीक और 3 दिन बच गए हैं, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे एंड फ्राइडे। एंड फ्राइडे को आने वाला है BTS का नया एल्बम विच इज B. And yeah, I'm super excited and I'm such a big fan of BTS. All of you guys know. So इस वीक जो मैं नेल आर्ट करने वाली हूँ, that is inspired by BTS and BTS थीम नेल आर्ट करने वाले हैं हम लोग आज। एंड पर्सनली आई रियली डोंट नो मैं आज क्या करने वाली हूँ। मैं आप लोगों को आज एक एग्जाम्पल फोटो नहीं दे पा रही हूँ कि मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ। आज मैं मिक्स ग्रेडियंट करने वाली हूँ कुछ ना कुछ। एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू एंड आई एम रियली कंफ्यूज कि मैं क्या करूँगी। सो yeah, let's see what I'm going to do. But this is going to be B themed and B related. Fantastic. Now I'm super excited and I just cannot wait. आज के nail art में जो भी मैं यूज करूंगी, सारे प्रोडक्ट्स मेरी फैंटास्टिक शॉप में होंगे, जैसे कि आप लोग यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं। सो यू गाइज कैन गो एंड चेक आउट एंड बाय फ्रॉम देयर एज वेल। सो या गाइज, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब and like this video if you guys like BTS as well. So in today's nail art, we don't need a lot of nail polishes. B cover, as you guys can see, has only 2 colors, black and white. So आज हम लोगों को इन दोनों शेड से डिफरेंट करना पड़ेगा, कुछ क्रिएटिविटी निकालनी पड़ेगी. So yeah guys, let's see मैं क्या करूँगी, मुझे भी नहीं पता फिलहाल. And let's start with the base and all of this is going to be fast forwarded as well. So enjoy. So as you guys can see, the top coat is done. I think now I have an idea of what I should actually do with my nails. So I am going to do a gradient that will start from black to white, since that are the only colors we got from the profile picture of B album. In these 2 nails, the middle one and the ring finger, I am going to do BE, and the font just like this poster, and the font is going to be like, the base color is going to be pure white and BE are going to be in the black font. So I really don't do that if I will able to do that, because I don't really have artistic skills in me like that. So if it is not that up to the mark, please, I am very sorry, but yeah, that is my plan. So yeah, let's see if I can do that. First I'm going to paint my nails with this pure white nail polish, which is shade Marshmallow. What a name. So yeah, let's just paint these 2 and yeah, let's see. So fantastics, as you guys can see, I have done another coat of nail polish and also a top coat. So now the top coat is drying. Meanwhile, I am going to do the gradient on all the other nails. So yeah, let's see how we are going to do this. So this is a melamine sponge I'm going to use for this gradient nail art. And yeah, that's it. If you want this one as well, everything is linked in my shop. So yeah, that's it. And now let's do the gradient. So the nail sponge should be almost the same length of your nail, so this would be perfect for me. And now let's see how this works. So for the top, I am going to use black, and For the bottom, I am going to use white. So yeah, let's see. I am going to do the bottom half, which is white. So let's do this. We need to also mix them to create the gradient. Like this. So now let's stamp and let's see how this looks. So as you guys can see, this is how it looks. It looks so good. And in the end, I will show you guys how it looks after the cleanup. So yeah, let's do all the nails. So this is how it looks. Let me do the cleanup and I'll be right back. So now after cleanup, as you guys can see, the gradient looks super nice. So I am going to do a final top coat on them and they are done. So now the final part is these two nails. So this is how this looks right now. I am loving it and this looks super nice. So now for the final part, we are going to use some color, some poster paint, and you guys can also use acrylic paint as well. And I am going to just take a little bit of paint in here, and you guys can use pretty much anything. I am going to use this small nail art tool or this one. Like, I'm confused which to use right now, and I'm going to draw it. Even if we do any mistakes, we can remove it by just water. So yeah, that's that. Now you guys will see how I make BE. So yeah, let's see. And all this process is going to be fast forwarded. Since I cannot talk, I need to focus, and yeah, let's see how this will turn out. Oh my god, guys, I cannot believe myself right now. I actually did it. As you guys can see in the posters, that's how the BE is written. The middle parts are not attached, and I oh my god, thank god. I was so nervous for that, but I finally did it, and you guys can see how good this looks. Oh my god, BE. So yeah, I am super happy that it worked, and this is the first time which I have written anything on my hands. So I was so nervous, but it turned out super good, and I am so happy, guys. Thank God it turned out super nice, and I'm super proud of myself. And yeah, guys, that's all for today's video. I think I did my best, and imperfections are the beauty of nail art actually. So I'm super proud of this. And yeah, guys, that's all. If you guys like my nail art, then please give this video a like. That's all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.